Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this really nice 2017 Hino 268. It's a 25-950 truck, so it does come in under CDL. Before we jump into that walk around though, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. Bring our trucks in from our leasing department, which this particular truck came from, or from our customers' trade-ins. We do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, brakes, tires. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop and through our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC test drive, get them cleaned up, put online for our customers to look at. On top of that 150-point check, this truck has had 2 brand new steer tires put on it. It's got engine oil filter, fuel and air filters are been replaced. And this truck is pre-qualified for an AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb up in here, plenty of grab handles. This particular truck's got a really nice air suspension driver's seat for the driver. It's got a 2-person bench seat, so you can have a crew of 3 in here. We got the good outward visibility and upward visibility with the slope to it on this truck. We've got the AM/FM CD radio, air conditioning, cruise control. And even though this truck is a 2017, you can see this thing's been really nice, clean, well taken care of. Be a great ride for you guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you buy a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability that they're known for worldwide. When you start looking at pre-owned trucks, the bodies are usually scratched up pretty bad. Maybe you got some tears, dents, corner caps knocked out. This truck is in really good shape. It's a Southern truck, so it doesn't have a whole lot of rust on it. We got good rubber all the way around. This particular truck can go dock to dock, dock to ground, or ground to dock with this really nice 3,300-pound tuckaway gate, 85 wide, 60 inches deep. You can get that pallet. Excuse me. You can get that pallet and pallet jack on there, no problem. Liftgate gets up to the top, meets up like it should. This is a 26-foot 103 tall, 102 wide, about the most common size delivery truck bodies out there. We've got the Aptong hardwood slats. We've got the 2 rows of E-track. If you need more, we can have that installed in our body shop. We've got the hardwood Aptong slats on the sides. We've got the nice aluminum roof with the LED dome light for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries. And the laminated hardwood floor in this truck's in really good shape, still has a whole lot of life left in it. The lift gate is powered down too, so it's more controlled than just a free flow lift gate. Here at Industrial Power, we're getting a lot of stock in. We're starting to get a lot of the 26-footers in, but we also have some of the 16, 18, 20-foot bodies and vocational bodies in stock also. And even though this truck's in really great shape, we can still wrap this body in the cab if you'd like, with your name, graphic, design, phone number, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're rolling down the road. Again, we've got a really nice 2017 Hino 268 25-950 GVW, so it is under CDL, fully serviced, pre-qualified for that AGWS extended warranty. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new product on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. Stick with us for a second. We're going to tilt the hood on this truck, start it up, and give you more of just a little bit more intimate walk around of just the truck. And as always, we do appreciate your time.